Hi everyone, I'm Miss Melissa, and today I will be showing you how to make plastic out of milk, also known as casein. All you need is milk and white vinegar. Let's get started. To start, you are going to need 1 cup of milk, and you'll need to warm it up. The best way to do this is put it in the microwave for a minute to a minute and a half. You want it to be warm but not scalding. Then you are going to pour in 4 teaspoons of vinegar into your milk. And you want to start stirring. And you should start seeing some clumps. If you don't see any, you just want to pour in some more vinegar. Just keep stirring. Until you have lots of clumps. And then you're going to want to strain it with a strainer. Best way to do it is over the sink, but I'll just do it in another bowl. And you want to get all those clumps into the strainer. And then you want to squeeze out all the liquid. It's going to be a little gooey. And then you're going to take your plastic and you can shape it any way you want. You might want to knead it a little bit so it gets a little bit more like Play-Doh. And then you can shape it in any way you want. And then once you get the shape that you want, you'll want it to dry for 2 to 3 days until it looks like this. And then after it's hard, you can decorate it any way you want. And that is milk plastic. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you next time.